hall meeting in Exuma, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Tourism, Investments and Aviation, the Honorable I. Chester Cooper, announced the launch of the Home Sweet Home program, aiming to incentivize property owners seeking to enter the vacation home market.
I said earlier, but I think it bears repeating, the Tourism Development Corporation and the Tourism Development Fund are perhaps two organizations of the government right now that has the greatest potential to have significant impact on the economy of the Bahamas, but importantly, on empowerment for Bahamians. Empowerment, as you know, is something that I talk about a lot, and these initiatives coming to you today are therefore designed to help you to advance in the vacation rental space. From the Tourism Development Corporation and the Tourism Development Fund, we're going to launch this program with $1 million. That's what we're going to start with. This is the first phase of this program. We're going to expand this all across the islands of the Bahamas. This is going to go to Eleuthera and Grand Bahama and all of the other islands. You have the first opportunity to put in your applications, to get the ball rolling, to test this program, and to make sure it's working smoothly. We know that Airbnb is perhaps the most popular booking engine used at the moment for short-term vacation rentals. And we know it's easy, it works really well, and it's very efficient. And a lot of us have been making a lot of money by doing it.
For more tourism updates, visit Tourism Today or Bahamas.com. I'm Michael Miller, and this is Tourism Today.